What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And today is day 2 of Cruisin Ocean City 2026. And we are headed up to the Twisted Rods car show at the Pit and Pub. We're gonna film there all day. And you know how it goes. Each video, we're gonna do a giveaway. Today's video, we're gonna give away another Bangin Gears baseball cap. And we're also gonna be giving away this Fairfax High School Auto Tech hat. Let me tell you a quick story about this. I got a really good friend, John King. He's the instructor at Fairfax High School. Teaches the kids cars, working on them, building them. He's keeping the whole car culture alive. He's a great guy, he's a great friend. I want to give a shout out to him and all his students at the Automotive Tech at Fairfax High School. Great bunch of kids. To be eligible to win the hats, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube. That puts you in the running to win the hats. Once you're subscribed to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on every video I put out this week, and that gives you more chances to win more swag. If you registered for the show, you should have got a postcard in your goodie bag. It's got the QR codes. Scan them with your cell phone. Go to all the social media pages and subscribe and join up. We also got the Facebook group. While you're down here, post up your videos and pictures as well. Share them to the group. Get the car culture thing happening again. When you get home, post up where you're going, what you're doing. You got stuff for sale, cars, parts, flyers for shows you're going to. Post all that stuff up. It's a public site. No questions to get you in. Anything goes as long as it's automotive related. We're also doing Vehicle of the Month right now. Post up your ride. Doesn't have to be from down here. It could be a picture from anywhere. Get your friends to join the group. Like your picture, and the person with the most likes is going to be the Bangin Gears Garage group photo for the entire month of May. I'll change that photo on May 1st at midnight, so stay tuned to see who wins while we're down here. All right? Have a great day. It's going to be much warmer today than it was yesterday. But stay tuned, and we'll catch you right back here tomorrow with another video of Bangin Gears Garage.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain storms hitting town. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, reflecting who I am. No one ever stopped me, not even